To integrate Bill.com API documentation, start by reviewing the official Bill.com API documentation to understand the available endpoints and parameters. The API uses RESTful architecture and returns data in JSON format, making it easy to integrate with your application. First, create a Bill.com developer account and obtain an API key, which is required for authentication. The API key is used to generate an access token, which is then used to make API calls. You can generate the access token by sending a POST request to the authentication endpoint with your API key and other required parameters. Once you have the access token, you can start making API calls to retrieve or send data to Bill.com. For example, you can use the Get Vendors endpoint to retrieve a list of vendors, or the Create Bill endpoint to create a new bill. Make sure to check the API documentation for the required parameters and response formats for each endpoint. When making API calls, use the access token in the authorization header to authenticate the request. You can also use query parameters to filter or sort the data returned by the API. For example, you can use the filter parameter to retrieve only vendors with a specific name or address. To handle errors and exceptions, check the HTTP status code and response body for error messages. The Bill.com API uses standard HTTP status codes to indicate the result of the API call, and returns error messages in the response body if the call fails. Best practices for integrating the Bill.com API include handling rate limits, caching data, and logging errors. The Bill.com API has rate limits on the number of requests you can make per minute and per day, so make sure to handle these limits in your application. You can also cache data returned by the API to reduce the number of requests and improve performance. Finally, log errors and exceptions to troubleshoot issues and improve the reliability of your application. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully integrate the Bill.com API documentation into your application and automate tasks such as retrieving vendor information, creating bills, and sending payments. The Bill.com API provides a powerful and flexible way to integrate your application with the Bill.com platform, and can help you streamline your accounting and payment processes.